Ka BGP Meghalaya kalaya kran bakan wang no yeladi nak sarkar MDA ban menta ka am tang ya karai na ka BGP sangkeme. Uba Ernest Mori presiden ke BGP Meghalaya ulapan tip bahag jingyalang jong ke BGP Meghalaya kilaya rai ban wang no nak sarkar MDA halor ke jingbam simkhia ke sarkar ya ke jingbam sam Garo Hills Autonomous District Council but Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council.
So, I have already take up this matter very seriously. And yesterday also, against in the press, I'm pressurizing the CBI proof. I demand the CBI inquiry related with this both the district councils misappropriation of fund. And we are watching very closely if the government of today, if they don't take a serious note on this matter, we have to discuss with our central leader and with our board the MLA, and we will inform you next step what will be decided from the party.
Uba Mauri ulang ba ke BGP harin makalalap ya ke jingbam sap basir kai JHADC ba GHADC kalaya kran ru bat menteri rang ba ke jela ukan rat sang ma ba unsim khia henry hadu menta ke ne ke sarkar kam simle ai.
I have already informed the central leader regarding with this matter of both the district council, GHADC and GHADC. And I met the CM also, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to apprise about all this matter. Then in his advice, he told me that he will keep the direction to the CM of both the council. I'm waiting for a week. There's no response from the CM of the board of this council, and I make a call to them by myself and asking about all this fact and finger regarding with the ongoing misappropriation of fund which is going on in their council. Yes, I discussed with them, but they keep a word that we cannot decide, we have to talk to our leader. It means that to CM.